Mother. Sucker.
You did? Keep dancing, Lilah. No. What's up, guys? We are at Triangle Square and we're gonna go to Yard House.
This is my line. Your battery's dead. Your battery's dead.
Oh yeah.
Damn, that camera moves. Split screen it. That was cool. Split screen it, to be honest.
Happy Saturday. We are filming today. It's not dead today.
I need a haircut.
We're gonna film and it's kind of like a vlog style video, so probably not gonna vlog that much today. Ooh. We're using the big camera today. Hi everyone, so I just quickly wanted to come on here and apologize for this extremely short vlog. It was midterms week, so I was really busy. I was getting like 3 hours of sleep every night that week, and it was just bad. Like, I just wasn't there fully. I was just fully immersed in like studying and making sure I get good grades, and so I just didn't vlog. I was just way too busy. But thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to the end of this 1 and 30-second video. Next week's vlog will definitely be a lot better because it was spring break. So I was doing a lot of stuff and I did vlog a lot. I have a couple of good days that I'm gonna have in there. So that one should be better. But I hope you guys had a good week and I'll see you guys on the next one.